Welcome back to RV Road Report, your ultimate hub for rugged rides, luxury on wheels, and life on the road. If you're into the freedom of van life and crave adventure without limits, you're in the right place. Today, we're checking out something truly bold and bright, the Hymer Camper Van Motorhome in a vibrant yellow finish. This beast is built for the wild with a rugged long body and unstoppable 4x4 wheels. Whether you're off-grid or on the move, this van screams versatility and style. Buckle up, because this tour is going to blow your mind. Let's roll. Exterior front view. Feast your eyes on the front of this bright beast. Standing tall at the official Hymer showroom, the Hymer Camper Van Motorhome commands attention from the very first glance. The vibrant yellow bodywork shines under natural light, and the signature Hymer logo sits proudly on the grille, a mark of German engineering at its finest. Massive front lamps, aerodynamic curves, and a muscular stance give this van the charisma of an off-road king and the elegance of a luxury cruiser. It's not just a van, it's a statement. Top side view. Now, let's take it from the top, literally. The rooftop of the Hymer Camper Van is packed with all the essentials for off-grid living. Integrated solar panels keep your energy flowing wherever you are, powering up your lights, gadgets, and appliances with eco-friendly efficiency. You'll also spot a sleek antenna for boosting signals on the go, and a low-profile rooftop air conditioning unit to keep things chill no matter how wild the weather gets. This is your mobile control tower, ready to power your journey. Backside view. Swinging around to the rear, things just keep getting better. Mounted neatly at the back is an extra tire, because let's face it, adventure can get rough. Right below it, a cycle carrier is smartly installed, perfect for hauling your mountain bike or electric scooter. The back doors are sturdy and Loctite, and the vibrant yellow paint continues its streak of excellence. Rugged, reliable, and road-ready, the back of this motorhome is designed for freedom, flexibility, and fun. Side view. Moving on to the side view, and this is where the camping magic unfolds. Along the side of the Hymer camper, you'll find a fully retractable tent awning that opens up a shaded outdoor lounge area. Set up some chairs, light a portable grill, and soak in those sunset views, all from the comfort of your mobile patio. Whether you're in the woods, desert, or by the beach, this setup turns every stop into a 5-star experience. Who needs a hotel when your van is the destination? Driving compartment. Step inside the cockpit. This is where Command Central lives. The driving compartment of the Hymer Camper Van is a tech-savvy traveler's dream. You've got 2 large LED screens on the dash, one showing navigation and infotainment, and the other giving you a live feed from the back camera, making reversing in tight spots a breeze. The premium leather seats, ergonomic controls, and panoramic windshield give you comfort and control. Perfect for long highway cruises or bumpy back roads. Sitting and sleeping area. Right behind the driver's area, we step into the heart of comfort, the sitting and sleeping zone. Here's where form meets function. During the day, it's a cozy sofa area with a small table for work or meals. At night, this sofa transforms into a full-size bed that's perfect for 2 adults. Soft cushions, ambient lighting, and storage all around make it a true chill zone. Whether you're catching a nap or watching a movie, this area has your back. Literally. Kitchen. Now, let's talk about cooking on the road. Tucked neatly beside the sitting area is a compact kitchen that's loaded with essentials. You've got a 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a mini fridge for perishables. Upper and lower cabinets offer ample space for utensils and dry goods. There's even a small prep counter for slicing, dicing, or making your morning coffee. It's efficient, clean, and stylish, the kind of setup that turns a simple meal into a road trip memory. Washroom. Yes, it has a washroom. And no, it's not just a cramped afterthought. There's clever little space packs and a compact toilet, foldable sink, and a mini shower head all in one. Every inch is carefully designed for convenience, from wall hooks to towel shelves. A skylight keeps it feeling fresh, and a waterproof door keeps things neat. For a small van, this washroom makes a big impression, showing just how well Hymer uses every square foot. And that wraps up our full tour of the Hymer Camper Van Motorhome, a vibrant yellow beast built for epic journeys and off-grid escapes. It's rugged, it's stylish, it's smart, and it's priced at just $82,000. A total steal for the adventure promises. Got thoughts? Drop them in the comments. We love hearing from fellow road warriors. And you know what to do next. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on the next RV Road Report.